Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I will be filming a 5-minute makeup look featuring the Afrique by Juvia's Place palette. This is the inside. So if you want more videos, more makeup looks, just drop it down in the comment box. Like, subscribe, and keep on. Is primer. I'm going to be using the CoverGirl True Blend Base Business primer, and I'm just going to take that, rub it in my hands, and place it all over my face. So the next step is foundation. I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define foundation. It's full coverage in the shade F13. I'm going to take a Real Techniques buffing brush. So I'm just going to take this and put 4 swipes in my face, blending that out. So next up is the Conceal and Define concealer, and we're just going to place that just a little bit under the eye just to conceal. As you can see, I have a little bit of darkness under there. And I'm going to take a dry beauty blender and go under there and blend it out. I'm gonna go in with just a little bit of powder with a large powder brush and just powder the face. So to bring in some color to our face, I'm going to go in with these 2 shades from the Ulta Contour Kit, Golden Bronzer and Bombshell Bronzer, and we'll go in with a little bit of Goddess Bronzer and just apply that to the cheeks. So next is eyeshadow. We're going to go with the Afrique by Juvia's Place. I'm going to take this brown shade called Cameron, and I'm just going to put that in our crease with a Morphe M4 401. So for our lid color, we're going to go with the shade Kofi, and we're just going to take a synthetic brush. And this is what it looks like on the brush, really pretty, and just pat that on the eye. So to blend in the shades together, we're going to go back in there with the shade Cameron and blend the edges. So to give it an eyeliner effect, I'm going to go with the shade Storm from the Morphe 9A palette and just go right across the lash line. So next up is highlighter. I'm going to go with the shade Surprise in the Morphe 9A palette and just apply that to my cheeks. So to finish this look, I'm going to go with the Urban Decay De Slick Setting Spray. I'm just going to spray that all over my face.